Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to calculate this expression 2 squared divided by 4 then times 6 plus 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here we first do these parentheses. Our expression equals 2 squared divided by 4, then times 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now here we have this exponent, this division, and this multiplication. We have to handle this exponent first. So 2 squared equals 4, and 4 divided by 4, then times 10. As we know, division and multiplication have equal priority and we work from left to right. So first 4 divided by 4, which equals 1, and 1 times 10 is just 10. So our final answer to this problem is 10.